Hello my viewers, in today's video we will talk about how to create a parametric chair. Okay, all the diameters or the dimension you can see. Okay, so in today's video we will see how to create a parametric chair with proper dimension. Let's start. Go to the new in family and you have to select English Imperial here. Open it, search for the furniture here, open it. You will see such a reference line is there, this type of interference. So for first to make the parametric chair, first we have to take the reference lines from here. Click on the reference plane. Make the distance, measure the distance, click on the equal, like this side also, click on the equal. Okay, so this reference line has been placed. Now we have to place one reference line here for the back support. So go on create here the reference plane and 6 inch for the back support. Okay, name it as BS, back support. BS. Okay, and okay, done. Now we have to make all this reference plane parametric. So for start from here, click on this measure. You will see here create parameters. Click here and name it as length. Okay, and lock this side also, breadth, and okay, and lock this also. Let's name it as back support. Okay, and lock this also. So now parameter has been created. Now we can see here, go here, you will see here length. If you will change from here, it will automatically create change here also. Suppose let's take it 3 feet. You can see everything has been changed. So suppose here you are taking 4 feet, you will see it's automatically adjust all the side. Okay, it means parameters has been working. Now let's create some height here. Reference, go in create and click on reference plane and place a reference plane of the height. Measure this one. Okay, now let's keep height 2 feet 6 inch and name it as height. Okay, now make it parametric, so it will automatically change according to the property. Name it as height and lock this one also. Okay, so now we have placed all the reference plane. Now we have to create a base of the chair. So go on extrusion, select the reference, set the plane, go here, and you can base here. Let's height. Okay, select the pick line. Here you can lock this one and pick all the 4 line. You will see all the line has been locked. Now trim this, all this side, and make the extrusion end 5 inch. Finish the model. Now go in 3D and you will see, make it as shaded. You can see the base of the chair. This is the base of the chair. Let's create some leg of the chair. Go and create extrusion, set the plane, reference plane. Okay, take this rectangle one and make it 4 inch, 4 by 4. Let's take 4 by 4. Okay, now copy this one and mirror this. Okay, now you will see here extrusion and make it 2 feet 6 inch. Okay, finish the model and let's go in 3D. You can see here leg has been placed. Now we have to place 2 more legs this side. Select this one and mirror this one. You can see all the leg has been placed properly. Okay, so now we have to pick some for the back support. So let's go and create, take this blend and rectangle and place 3 inch approx. Okay, now edit top one, three inch we have taken, 3 inch this side and this side, both side 3 inch. Okay, now we just finish the model. Now you will see, go in 3D so you can visible to you easily. So this support is placed here, but we have to place base of the chair here. So for that, just go on the front, you can see here we have to place here. So for that, just edit the work plane and make this height level. Okay, you will see it's placed here. Let's go in left so it can be visible to you and you will understand easily. So this is the back support line, so we have to place some height 3 feet or little bit down. So for that we have to create a reference plane. So go here in create and make here reference plane, make the distance 2 feet 6 inch will be okay. Okay, make it as back support top. Okay, you can name it as back support top, and you can lock this one. Okay, now we have to select this one and make this second part 2 feet 6 inch. You will see go in 3D and you can see here like this. Okay, so again select this one and mirror it. You can see go in 3D, you can see both the side back support has been placed. Now we have to place some support over here, so for that we have to go in 3D, create, sweep, sketch the path, take this one, okay. Now edit profile, go to the left, open a view, make this one, select this rectangle and make this one up to, and finish the model. Again we have to finish it. Now go in 3D, so you can see some support. You can see here at the bottom we have to place this one here, so for that we have to go in front and just select this align command and click here and this align. Now we'll go in 3D and see how it's look. You can see here support has been placed, so it's look little bit bigger, so you can resize this one, make this one 2 feet 6 inch. Okay, and the length also 2 feet 8 inch. Okay, now it's look pretty good as a chair. Now we will see if you want to increase this leg height, you can do also. Let's suppose we change some height from here. Suppose we want to keep it 2 feet 4 inch. Suppose we want to put some, let's take 4 feet, so you can, now you will see it's not attached. Okay, so for that we have to Control Z and let's make it fix. Go in front. Now we have to click on the align command, select this one and this and lock it. Select this one, this and lock. Now I'm going 3D and let's see it's working or not. Height, suppose we have to keep height 4 feet. Now we will see it's working. Okay, height is working. Okay, it means our parameter is working properly. Okay, just we have to attach this one, join. So for that click on the join, select this one and this one. You will see this side also join. join it this side also. Now it's look good. Okay, suppose you want to place some material over here, you can click here. You will see here material option, here corner, click and create a name it as chair. Okay, okay, now we will see it's working or not. You will see here material is chair is there, make it so. Let's create new materials. Name it as chair, rename it as chair. Go to the open close asset browser, select here wood, you will see here. Let's take this one, apply. Okay, apply it. Okay, go to the realistic, you can see here the color has been applied. So suppose you want this one also, click on the one, go to the category, make it as support. Oh, its name is already there, so we have to make support and chair. Okay, okay, now go to the property and let's back support chair and make this one also. Okay, apply. Okay, now we will see complete parametric chair has been created. So in this way you can create parametric chairs and you can use this in your project also. Thank you for watching the video. In the next video we will talk about some other topics.